So let me tell you a story, right? Picture this. There's a girl named Isabella, a young scientist from the late 1500s, right at the start of the scientific revolution. And suddenly she's thrown into our modern world, full of screens, machines, and technology she couldn't even imagine. And she's shocked by everything. I mean, going from like hand-drawn diagrams to like smartphones, like that's crazy, total mind blow. And then she meets Lucas, a typical modern teenager, tired, distracted, headphones on, and after a lot of insisting, he takes her to his school, and Isabella goes straight to the science lab like it's a treasure chest. She sees advanced microscopes, sensors, digital equipment, and you can see her trying to catch up to centuries of progress. And that's when Professor Antonio appears, another teacher who clearly loves what he does. He talks to her, listens to her perspective, and invites her to her modern experience. And she actually commits, right? She comes back day after day, working, failing, until she actually finishes. And excited, she goes to shows the professor and asks him to share her discovery. But he explains, and he says to her, Isabella, one experiment isn't enough today. We need repetition, different conditions, verifications. That's the modern scientific method. And like she's surprised because in her time, only one successful attempt was often enough to call something an absolute truth. And that's when she realizes her curiosity fits in this world, but the rules of science and science in general have changed dramatically.